Hi and welcome to GeeksforGeeks. In this tutorial, we will continue to learn about operator functions in Python. So let's move to GeeksforGeeks IDE to learn about them. First, let's discuss the SetItem, DelItem and GetItem functions. The SetItem function is used to assign the value at a particular position in the container. It is same as this statement. It takes three arguments: the object, the position at which we wish to change the value, and the value. Del item is used to delete the value at a particular position in the container. It is same as this statement. It takes two arguments, the object and the position to be deleted. And get item is used to access the value at a particular position. It also takes the same two arguments. Let's look at this example. To use the operator function, we must import operator. We have a list 1, 2, 3, 4 and we are trying to assign the value 5 at index 3 using the setItem function. To use this function, we write operator.setItem. Then we are using del item to delete the value at index 3. Next, we are trying to get the value at index 2. Let's run this code. First, we are printing the list. Then we are setting the value at index 3 equal to 5. Next, we are removing the value at index 3. And at last, the value at index 2 is printed. These three functions can be used in a range using the slice function. Here's an example. Here we are trying to apply all these three functions from index A to B minus 1. That is from 2 to 3. Let's run this code. We can see that all the values in a range are changed accordingly. Next, let's discuss the concat and contains functions. Concat function is used to concatenate two objects, and contains function is used to check if object 2 is present in object 1 or not. We have two strings s1 equal to geeksfor and s2 equal to geeks. We are trying to concatenate the two strings using the concat function and then checking whether S2 is present in S1 or not. Let's run this code. We can see that the concatenation of S1 and S2 is GeeksforGeeks and S2 is present in S1. Next, let's discuss the AND, OR and XOR functions. These functions are used to find the bitwise AND, OR and XOR of the two input values. In this example, we are using inputs 0 and 1 for finding AND, OR and XOR of the two values. Let's run this code. We can see that the AND of 0 and 1 is 0, their OR is 1 and their XOR is also 1. So in this tutorial, we discussed the operator functions in Python. We will continue our discussion on Python in the coming tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.